Why is enthalpy important for HVAC systems? Imagine trying to keep a room comfortable without knowing how much heat or moisture is actually in the air. That's where enthalpy comes into play. Enthalpy measures the total heat content of air, combining both the heat from temperature and moisture. It's like knowing the full story of what's happening inside the air we breathe. In systems and applications of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, understanding enthalpy helps engineers figure out how much energy is needed to heat, cool, humidify, or dehumidify the air. When air moves through a building, it's a mix of dry air and water vapor. Enthalpy accounts for both, usually measured in British thermal units per pound of dry air. This helps determine how much work a system needs to do to reach the desired comfort level. Knowing the enthalpy of outside air versus indoor air helps decide how much outside air to bring in. If outside air has high enthalpy, meaning it's warm and humid, it takes more energy to cool and dehumidify it. That increases the system's energy use. On the other hand, if outside air has low enthalpy, it's cooler and drier, which reduces the cooling load and saves energy. In psychrometrics, the study of air properties, enthalpy is used to analyze processes like evaporative cooling or condensation. It helps optimize how systems control humidity and temperature. For example, when using outside air for cooling, knowing its enthalpy helps decide if it's a good idea to use free cooling strategies. It also helps in controlling humidity levels to keep indoor air comfortable without wasting energy. HVAC equipment like heat pumps and air conditioners relying on enthalpy calculations to work efficiently. Higher enthalpy means more heat needs to be removed, which can impact how well the system performs. By measuring enthalpy, technicians can evaluate if these systems are operating at their best. Overall, enthalpy combines temperature and moisture effects into one measure. It helps HVAC professionals make smarter decisions about how to run systems efficiently and keep indoor environments comfortable. Without it, controlling the heat and humidity in a building would be much more guesswork. Enthalpy is the key to understanding the true heat content of the air and making sure HVAC systems respond correctly to changing conditions.